So guys, just got home from Burger King and picked up a box from the flea market of 2010 Greats of the Game basketball. So I'm looking for 3 hits, 2 autos, and a jersey. Hopefully we hit something nice. Big man on campus, Shareef Abdur-Rahim. Nice looking cards. Billy Donovan, Michael Jordan. Sickness. I really like this set, even though you don't really get a lot of good hits out of it, but oh well. Michael Jordan. Those autographs. Jerry Sloan. Nice. I think he's the coach for Utah right now. I think. Not sure. I think I'm right. I'm not sure though. It's a nice card. Nice. Big man on campus of Jordan. Maybe this will be a Jordan box. Bill Card, Bill Russell, and Bill Cartwright, University of San Francisco. I've seen a lot of this open, and it's not really the best product out there. Glory Days, Alonzo Mourning. What a sick looking set. That's a really nice looking card. Oh, a number card of Hal Greer out of 199. Another Hal Greer in third pack. Got 2 packs left on the stack. Banner Seasons, Kevin Pittsnoggle and Jerry West. Old school of Sam Perkins. I feel like I'm screaming. Banner Seasons of Thurl Bailey and David Thompson. Terry Porter out of 199. Here's a hit, a jersey card of nice Vlade Divac jersey. It's pretty cool. So we got one more auto coming. Oh, Redemption. I haven't seen a Redemption, I have to say. "2010 Greats of the Game autograph card number 6. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. 2010 Greats of the Game autograph card number 6. Michael Jordan. Holy shit. Oh my god, you can't even see it. Hold on, see if you can see it now. Oh, this camera sucks. But it says Michael Jordan. Holy shit. Let's see if you can see the light. Nope. Oh well. But holy crap. What a hit. That's the best hit of my life. No crap, best hit of my life. And my phone won't stay up. Come on. There we go. Oh, oh God. Danny Ferry insert, old school. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Kentucky's Pat Riley, old school. I wonder if I have enough to make the set. I'm not sure how many cards are in the set, but Big Man on Campus of Bill Lambier. Oh my God. Oh, urgent tax. Chris Bowen, I think he was on the dream team, actually. Oh, another Glory Days of Calbert Cheaney. So, you've just witnessed the best card I've ever pulled. Wow. Let me get it back out. I really can't see it. Good God. For trade or for sale. Yeah, for trade or for sale. Peace.